Every great host knows that a home bar is the perfect way to liven up any gathering, but infinite choices of bar tools and issues storing them can make it difficult to start a collection. That's why we at BarStash created the perfect bartending kit for your home. This 17-piece set provides the perfect tools to craft a wide array of cocktails. Pourer, strainer, shaker. We include all of that, plus more. Our tools are made from food-grade 304 stainless steel and BPA-free. They're also rust-proof and dishwasher-safe, making our kit easy to clean and usable for years to come. The BarStash bartending kit is everything you need to make the perfect cocktail. Plus, all your tools can stay organized with a sturdy, eco-friendly bamboo stand that complements every home with its aesthetic design. Simply place the bartending kit in your home bar or in the kitchen and start serving guests with style. We even include a free ebook to teach you the classics. So start crafting the perfect cocktails and elevate your home parties with the BarStash bartending kit.